Hello guys, today I am showing a technique to record your screen without any software. If you have Office installed and if you have PowerPoint, you can easily record your screen without any software. I'll show you how you can do the recording. This is very easy tool. First let's open the PowerPoint, open a blank presentation. And now you can see that it's open. Close all these windows and go to insert, and at the right side you can see screen recording. Once you press this one, you have option like record the pointer. So if you uncheck, the pointer will not be there in the recording. In audio you can choose audio if you want to record the audio, otherwise you can remove the audio. And in select area you can choose the area that you want to cover for recording. So for example, I am choosing this area. I need only specific area to be recorded, so I am choosing this one, and then I click record. Now after 3 seconds it started recording. Now you can see that it's recording. I'm just refreshing at that specific area to see that if it's working when I play the video. Let's open one PowerPoint, and when it's open it will show only specific area. And let's close this one. How we can stop recording? Windows logo plus Shift plus Q. Windows logo plus Shift plus Q will stop the recording. Now I stop the recording. You can see that there is a video. Now it's inserted to the PowerPoint. How we can save it as a media? Right click on it, save with media as a clip. Then you have option where you want to save it. Let's save it in desktop with the same name, and saved it. Just close the presentation PowerPoint. Now let's see the video we recorded. It's saved as a media. When I open, you can see that it is showing the video that is just recorded. So in this way, without the help of any software, without any screen recorders, you can record the screen. If it's complete screen or a specific part, it doesn't matter. So thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel. Bye bye.